Hello students. So in this video we will learn what are the different operators available in R. So there are four types of operator in R: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator. So what is arithmetic operator? It is the same operator that help us to perform all the mathematical operation, right? Same thing that we have done from other programming languages. The same operators are available here. The one thing that is different is modulus. The syntax of that is different. We use here double percentage. Okay. The plus for addition, we use the plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication. You can directly just assign just have two variables with the integer value or a numeric value, or then you can perform any type of mathematical operation with that. Okay. Then these are the example. If we take x equal to 10 and y equal to 3, these are the output that you will get. Okay. So as you can see in the modulus, the second last one, 10 mod 3 is coming 1. Okay. So the remainder is 1. Okay. Then so these are the arithmetic operators that are available. And again, yeah, order of operations matters here. The parentheses, inside the parentheses, expressions are evaluated first, then exponent, then multiplication and division, that two left to right, and then addition and subtraction left to right. So the same precedence of operations are available here in R programming as well. Okay, so this is the way you can do it. Like you can see in the right side snapshot that 34 plus 46 divided by 2 gives different result, and when we put parentheses, it is giving first adding and then dividing. And here first dividing, because there is no parentheses, the expression says do first the division. So from left to right, it will perform 46 divided by 2 first and then add 34 to it. So this is the difference. Okay. The next type of operator is relational operator. These operators are used to compare two values. So the result is a logical vector. It is same as other programming languages: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to and not equal to. Even the expression, even the operators are same here. Okay. So this is the example. If we go with 2 is less than 3, yeah, definitely it is true. 2 is greater than 3, it is false. Likewise, we can see in this example how the relational operator is working here. The next one is logical operator. So these operators are used to perform Boolean operations such as and or. So we have five operators here in logical: logical not, element wise logical and, element wise logical or, and logical or. So we can perform all these things. This is the example where x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, and what are the operations that we can perform. X is not equal to 10, yes it is true, it is equal to 1. And x is equal to 1, yes. And y is equal to 2, yes it is true. And operator, logical and operator, x is less than y. As you know that and or are this logical and logical or are different. How? In logical or, if the first expression, as you can see here, x is equal to 2, if it is right, or if it gives or returns true, the the second statement after or will not get evaluated, because because here true in any case will give us true. So if once the first statement is true, we'll directly go for answer as true. Okay, but in and we need to calculate both the expression, because in and both the expression has to be true to get the true output. So that is the thing with logical operator. Okay, the same thing is there. You can just pause the video here and do the coding in RStudio. I'm not going to do this coding, operator coding there in RStudio. Then the last operator is assignment operator. As we have already discussed, there are three ways we can assign: equal to sign, leftward, and the leftward, that is also known as left assignment, and rightward, known as right assignment. So these are the three ways we can use the assignment operator in our R programming languages. So that's for this video. We will learn the conditional statement in R in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.